Hey choreographers and creators, I have a little exercise for you today. This one's about spatial dynamics and topography. So sometimes we have no trouble making a phrase, but getting it to really move around the space is more challenging. I have an exercise that I really love that's about both finding a personal inroad to space and creating something that maybe goes to places you haven't gone before. Hi, I'm Alexandra. I'm a theater and movement coach, and I'm here today with a little exercise about topography and spatial dynamics. Here we go. Now, this might sound weird, but go with me. It's a metaphor. I'm going to ask you to use this piece of paper as your life, and I want you to intuitively pick a spot where you were born. Were you born all the way up here in this corner? Then I'm going to have you draw a spatial and dynamic map of your life. So say you were here for a few years and you shot to center. And then at center, you kind of moseyed along to the side. And then it was a very jagged pathway to get you all the way to this corner. And then it was kind of wispy and airy and meandering. It ended up for a little while back where you were born. Doesn't need to be geographically. And then it went in a really direct line over here. So you end up with this spatial and dynamic map. Then you can put some words to it if you like direct, sharp, wandering, vague, etc. And now you go and choreograph it. So you go and you take a space. This is downstage, this is upstage, this is stage left and stage right. And you go choreograph it. You start in upstage left. You make a path that goes directly and sharply to a little bit right of center. You do this waving topography. You'll create the movement on your own. You could start with just a walking pattern and fill it in later. You make this whole spatial and dynamic map, and then you've got the shape of something. Then you ask it what it wants to be, and you start filling it in. Another thing that you can do is have a few different people make their own maps and put them together and start looking at them. Go forth and make. Have fun.